Welcome back to Owen Allen Media. I'm back with the man himself. We are here reacting to MOLIY's official drop of the official music video of Shake It to the Max with Shenseea, Skillibeng, and Silent Addy. We're gonna jump right in. I keep hearing this song all over TikTok, all over Instagram, so I'm really excited to jump in and see what it's about.
And if you hear this song, then go bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
It is so catchy.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
It's a fun song.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love, yeah. Bad man, she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a last, yeah. Like a ball pump.
One thing with Skillibeng, he will give you a great intro. He will give you a catchy, he will give you the hook that you can sing to. The part that he sing will be the part that you remember of any song that he's on. Look at Skillibeng and Tyler, right? You know that song?
I don't, but
Jump. Jump, jump,
Oh,
jump, 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 jump. Yeah, make your body jump, jump, jump.
Okay.
Right?
I've heard it a few times.
Right. So he was the one that intro the song when he was saying, I forgot what he was saying, but she was like, "Oh, have you heard something a girl from South Africa, you know, from South Africa or whatever, from Cape Town?" Yeah, that song. And many other songs that Skillibeng are, you know, he's an international artist, so many other big international songs that he's featured on. He's always gonna give you that hit element, and this is hit right now. Great start to the song. Bad man.
I was gonna say, as an artist, that's kind of a crucial thing to have.
Yeah.
The pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fucking. Girl, make it cocky brand. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
Please just rewind.
I will say that I love her look.
Uh-huh.
I love her look. I love that she has like jewels and crystals in her hair. I think she looks stunning.
Yeah.
Fun outfit. I love that.
Yeah, the music video was shot in Jamaica. So Shenseea went to Jamaica, Skillibeng went to Jamaica, and MOLIY went to Jamaica, and they shot the music video in Jamaica. So this music video is shot in Jamaica.
Perfect.
Being that Jamaicans remix her song.
Exactly.
So it's only right that you go to Jamaica to get...
Go to the homeland.
Yeah, Jamrock.
Shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, we know for tick, we know for top. Yeah, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything you say them, girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap.
Classy, real bad girl, you know, You know me, Shenseea is like one of my favorite.
I know, and rightfully so. She's a star.
Favorite dancehall artists. She's up there for me. One of my favorite dancehall artists overall, and one of my favorite female dancehall artists, and one of my favorite artists in general.
Right.
I really love what Shenseea has been doing, and she killed it on this remix. She's letting you know, like, you know, Caribbean girls, like, we got this. The ladies got it.
Girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. And touch this, baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof.
What?
Rice and peas body hotter than jollof.
You know what that means? Because we went to Jamaica, so you tried rice and peas before, so you know what rice and peas is.
I would eat it every day, first of all.
And then
right.
It's an African thing.
Exactly. Yeah. That's just a funny thing. I love that.
My pause.
And if you hear this song, then go bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Yeah, number one in command again.
Are you seeing what's happening with the, like, in the party, like the dancing and everything that's taking place?
Yes, I was also gonna say it's brilliant to have like the Shake It to the Max challenge that's been going around like on TikTok and Instagram and things like that. I think it's brilliant. It's like a brilliant artistic move.
It's a good song. It's a hit song, but it's one of those viral songs.
Exactly.
Do you find yourself? Would you see yourself going back to listen to the song?
Honestly, yeah. I think that every single time I hear it on TikTok and Instagram, like, I stick around and I vibe for a little bit. I think it's a fun song.
Yeah, but would you go on Spotify to go listen to it?
This is my first time hearing it all the way through. I would save it to like a fun like beach summer playlist or something.
I see.
I think it has a good vibe to it. It's fun. I think people would get up and dance to it. 100%. Why not?
Just a kill me too many times. They won't figure it, but I don't need a man. So they love how me wine and make you really jam. You dealing with the body or you dealing with the boss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched. Steady on me back, you can't touch this.
What do you think about what she's saying though? Upgrade every dude she ever date.
Right. They know that if we break up, it's their loss.
Yeah.
It's that single bad girl mentality. I think that's fine to have. I think it's a baddie girl power song, in my opinion.
I think I'm just gonna judge it. I'm not gonna generalize it. I'm just gonna say it's her truth, right? If that's what she always do, and that's what always happened in her case and in her defense, then that's just that. Really, it's a good song. I love her voice. You know me, truly,
I love it too. I think she's really unique. It's almost like she like whispers it in the beginning. There's like little moments where she has like a very quiet, like, it's not even like seductive. It's just she just has like a little bit of like a quiet voice, and I like that. I think it just fits her. From what I've seen so far, it just fits her as an artist.
I like the song.
Baby, I already leveled up. You're looking for love and I'm looking for the love. Baby, you can handle all these songs.
The video of that poor lady just looking up and being like, because that would be me in public. I'd be like,
these specific videos where she's just
doing the challenge, right?
Where she's dancing like that. These videos get millions of views.
I love that.
Millions
it's so
of
funny.
It's just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Cute little sponsorship in there.
Shake it to the max. Let me shake it to the max.
Stop! That's so cute.
Granny's making get in
Granny
there.
had to shake it to the max.
Get in there, Granny.
That is so cute. I love that at the end. That's actually kind of cute and heartwarming.
Yeah. That's funny.
I love that. Well, overall, we love it.
Good video.